Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I've made several recipes with mutton like curries and rices. I'll give you a couple of links in the description, do check them out. Today I'm going to share another delicious mutton korma recipe that you can enjoy with any tiffins of your choice. So let's get started and check it out. Here are all the ingredients we require to make this curry. So first take 1 kilo of fresh mutton pieces neatly washed in a bowl. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Make sure these powders coat the mutton pieces nicely. Now keep the bowl aside, let the mutton marinate for some time. For the masala paste, take 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons poppy seeds, 6 cashew nuts and add some water. Soak the ingredients for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer the soaked ingredients to the mixer jar and add about quarter cup of fresh coconut bits to it. Grind it all once. Now scrape off the sides and add some more water and grind it to a nice fine paste. The masala paste is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now take a pressure cooker and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 3 small cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 cup of bud, that is Marathi Moggu, 1 small piece of stoned flour, 1 piece of mace and saute. Now add about 3 finely chopped large onions to the cooker. Also add 5 slit green chilies and mix well. Saute until the onions are nice golden brown in color. Now this is important for this recipe because it gives the right flavor. At this stage, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix everything well. Once the raw smell is gone, add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and saute for about 5 minutes. After the tomatoes are nice and mushy, add the marinated mutton pieces. Now mix them all together. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Lastly, add some fresh curry leaves and mix everything well. You will get a nice aroma with this. Keep mixing the mutton and cook for about 5 minutes so that it will absorb all the flavors. After 5 minutes, you can add about half cup of water and mix everything well. Cover the cooker with the lid, place the weight and pressure cook for 5 whistles on medium flame. Once done, turn off the heat and let the steam release naturally. After 10 minutes, you can open the lid and you can see that the mutton is cooked perfectly. Now turn the heat on again and add the ground masala paste. As you can see that the masala paste has thickened a bit. If you find it a bit too thick, you can add a little bit of water and dilute the curry. Cook the curry for 5 more minutes on medium flame. The mutton korma is almost ready. Garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves and a few curry leaves. This is important and it gives a very nice aroma. Gently mix everything well and turn off the heat. This hotel-style mutton korma is ready to be served nice and hot. I'm serving this delicious mutton korma with some nice hot string hoppers, that is Idiyappam. You can enjoy it with any tiffin of your choice like idli, dosas, appam, even chapati. I really enjoyed the mutton korma with that nice hot idiyappam. This is one of my favorite combinations. So it's a nice recipe that you can make for your tiffins. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. Wonderful recipes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.